You probably remember me from my previous top 5 budget helmet video, but today I'm going to show you something better. These are our top helmets that are under the range of 8K for you as a biker to choose. Let's go. Alright, for number 6 on our list. The Empty Blade 2 SV. The Empty Blade comes with a dual visor. It is ECE 22.05 certified and is also DOT certified. Not to mention, it is also Sharp 4-star rated. Now, for number 5 on our list. The Korda Shockwave. This guy almost hit my face with it. Anyways, this one also comes with a dual visor. Out of all the helmets on the list, this one right here is the only one with a 22.06 rating from ECE. Now, for number 4 and my personal favorite. The KYT TT course. How'd you throw it? Why'd you throw it like that? So this one doesn't come with a dual visor, but this is my favorite because it is comparable to a carbon fiber helmet when it comes to the weight. Not to mention the distribution is pretty even on the track because this right here is track tested. Okay, you're not gonna get something like this in this segment for this price. And now for number 3. What is this? What is this? Throw me the helmet. Where is she? The Axor Batman edition. So this one in here already comes with a pin lock free. All right, it's also got a dual visor. It is ECE 22.05 certified and it is also DOT certified. The only thing that makes this different from the rest is that it's Batman. And now for number 2, the one you probably haven't been waiting for. The LS2 FF320 Stream Evo. It is also ECE 22.05 rated, which is pretty much the same as everything else. But the good thing about this one is that you get more color variants as compared to the FF800 or anything else on our list. And now for the last one on our list, the one you definitely have been expecting. The Empty Thunder 3. The Empty Thunder 3 comes in with this aerodynamic shell. It's got ECE, DOT, and it's also 4-star rated in Sharp. What else could you ask for? I mean, come on, it's also got a dual visor. And it's number 1 on our list. Get it? But it doesn't come with a pin lock, but it does have compatibility with Max Pin Lock Vision. So if you're looking for a good helmet under the range of 8K, this would probably be your best bet, just like the rest of the helmets on our list. So yeah, so that was our video on the best helmets under 8K for you. If you're looking for more of these, you can check them out on our website at bikesterglobal.com. Link will be in the description below. Also, if you want to check them out in person and if you want to meet me, you can find us at Santacruz or at Malad, and the location will be in the description below. My name is Ryan from Bikester Global, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, I gotta go. Even at a Malad outlet, and the locations will be in the description. Oh my god, my tongue is slipping. Now, for number 2, the one you've probably not been waiting for, but why? Every time.